let's start controlling some notes. So we're playing the E string open. Like we're pinching together our fingers, like lobster claw style, I call that. See how the thumb and the first finger kind of U-shape around? Lobster claw. Okay, let's use the lobster claw position. Pinch real tight on the back, our thumb and our first finger. Okay, now let's go like this. Let's go 0 to 1. String mute. Okay, we can do that. 0, E string, fret 1. String mute. Look at that. Okay, so that's E, F, 0, 1, off, 1, off, 1, off, 1. Yeah. So there's like 3 moves here. Boom.